In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a College Board account from Bangladesh. This guide is specifically for students preparing for the SAT, AP exams, or any other College Board program. Getting started is straightforward, so let's dive in. First, you'll need to head over to the official College Board website. Open your preferred browser and type in collegeboard.org. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner, where you'll find the Sign Up button. Click on it to begin the process of creating your account. As you move through the account creation process, you'll be asked to choose an account type. Since this guide is aimed at students, you'll want to select I am a student. Although parents and educators can also set up accounts, choosing the correct type is essential for registering for the SAT or AP exams. Selecting student will ensure you have access to all the resources and registration options you need. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your personal information. This step is crucial, so take your time to ensure everything is accurate. Start by filling in your full name, making sure it matches exactly as it appears on your passport or any official ID you plan to use. It's important that this information is consistent since it will be used for exam registration and identification on test day. Then enter your date of birth as per your documents, your gender, and an email address that you frequently check. This email will be central to receiving updates and important information from the College Board. Additionally,